Manufacturing world is producing the parts every day, but there are many hidden challenges which is somehow underestimated or ignored or unknown. Here, basically the challenges start from preparation of the parts, preparation of the ecosystem like the cutting tools, the fixtures, the gauges, preparation of the right communication with the different departments, and those things really make every manufacturing shop floor less efficient or not 100% efficient as per the expectation from the company's perspective. Hello, myself Amit Salunkhe, General Manager, ZOLLER India and Middle East Asia. Certainly, when there is a challenges, there are certainly solutions. So Zoller come up with a wonderful solution for a manufacturing companies. We are coming up with a program called CAM2PART, in which we are providing the comprehensive solution for CAM integration, warehousing management for the cutting tools, tool holders, fixtures and gauges, a tool assembly assistant for many different clamping systems, tool presetting where Zoller is basically a known companies. Then basically we have another option called tool balancing and a right integration with the CNC machine, where we bridge the gap between the challenges and offer a comprehensive solution for making manufacturing shop floor more efficient and more profitable. In these programs, we are going to cover a complete ecosystem, start from creating the parts in a CAM program to produce the part on a CNC machine. In fact, we are going to cover till inspection machine. These sessions will be available on pan-India basis. So first session will be available on 27th of July at Pune, and parallelly it will be then broader into Indian market. We have next session will be at Chennai, then at Bengaluru and at Delhi. So dates will be announced in prior, so customer can register for this training program and get benefited out of this comprehensive training session offered by Zoller.